In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut PC. If you need to push a clip beyond its normal proportions, make it wider, taller, or simply fill an awkward, empty space in your layout, CapCut makes it very easy once you know where the right controls are. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the simplest method, and it only takes a few quick adjustments. To begin, head down to your timeline and select the exact image or video clip you want to stretch. Just click directly on that clip once so CapCut knows which layer you're editing. This is important because if nothing is selected, the controls you need may not appear, or you might end up adjusting the wrong element by mistake. Once the clip is highlighted, move your attention to the top right side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. In that panel, click the tab labeled Video. After that, make sure the Basic section is open and active. This is where CapCut keeps the core layout and transform controls for your selected media, so if you don't see the scaling options right away, double-check that you're in Video and then in Basic. Next, look for the section called Position and Size. Inside that area, you'll find a setting labeled Uniform Scale. By default, this is turned on, which means CapCut keeps the width and height linked together so your footage stays proportional. That's useful in many situations, but for stretching, it's exactly what you need to disable. Click the Uniform Scale switch once to turn it off. The moment you do that, CapCut unlocks the width and height from each other. In other words, you're no longer forced to resize everything evenly, and that gives you full control over how wide or how tall the image or video becomes. Right below that setting, you'll now see separate controls for scale width and scale height. To stretch your clip sideways, drag the width slider to the right. To make it taller, drag the height slider instead. You can also adjust both if needed, depending on the layout you're trying to fill. As you move the sliders, keep your eyes on the preview window in the center, because CapCut updates the result instantly. That live preview makes it easy to stop exactly when the clip looks right. And that's it. You selected the clip, opened the Video Basic controls, turned off Uniform Scale, and adjusted width or height independently. With just a few quick moves, you can stretch any image or video in CapCut PC and fit it exactly the way you want on screen.